I have just developed this legal RAG assistant, which is trained on thousands of PDF files. And I have developed this RAG agent using NVIDIA Nemo Retriever, which is one of the best large language model out there to build RAG agents. NVIDIA has recently introduced this large language model, which is probably one of the best AI model out there to build enterprise level RAG agent. So this is Nemo Retriever NVIDIA. This is a multi-model large language model that can help you to build any sort of RAG applications. Doesn't matter if your data is in an image format or it's in like a plain text or maybe PDF files or maybe like image or charts or any sort of like diagrams inside a PDF file. This model can process data that even contains images in it. So most of the enterprise level data is usually not very well structured for AI models. In this particular example, we are using data from DIFC, which is Dubai International Financial Center. They have this huge database of PDF files, and each of these PDF files is like hundreds of different pages. So this is how this RAG agent works. So whenever I ask a question, it gives me answer of that particular question. After that, it also shows me in how many sources this answer was found. So let's suppose this particular question, which was what is DIFC? So this answer was found in this particular file on this particular page, and this is the particular chunk ID. And in here you can see this is the content preview as well, and similarly the second source, the third source, and the fourth source. We also have the source analysis as well, which actually helps us to understand our answer better. All of this was possible using NVIDIA Nemo Retriever because the data in all of these PDF files were in different format. NVIDIA Nemo Retriever processed all of that data for us. I have provided the complete source code of this RAG agent, so you can simply just go to this URL. I have provided this link in description, and then you can access this GitHub repository. There is a very detailed documentation that how you can actually install this RAG agent locally on your computer, then how you can run it yourself. But in a second, I'll just walk you through the entire process, and then I'll show you that how I built this RAG agent. So this is my project in VS Code, and once you clone this GitHub repository, this is what you'll see. In here you can see there is this folder which is data/docs folder. In this particular folder, you need to add all of your PDF files. For now, just to give you an idea, I just added few PDF files, which were like I think around 17, 18 different PDF files. But you can just add maybe like thousands of different PDF files. All you have to do, just copy all of your PDF files that you want to use to train your RAG agent. So just add all of your PDF files in this particular folder. Once it is done, the next thing that you need to do before you do anything else is you need to get an API key from NVIDIA dashboard. So you need to just go to build.nvidia.com. Just go to this URL, build.nvidia.com. I can just provide this URL in description as well. And from there, just sign up and create your account. This literally just take like a couple of minutes. So just create your account, log into NVIDIA, and after that, simply just click on this button, which is Get API Key. Simply just click on this button, and if you're signed in, it will create an API key for you. This is the exact URL for this particular model. So you can just like go to this URL and then simply click on this Get API Key button. You can access this model from this build.nvidia.com, or you can simply just access this model from Hugging Face. So if you just want to like try this model or maybe like do some research about this model, so you can simply just go to Hugging Face and then access this particular model in here. And if you want to like build something using this model, and if you want to like get an API key, you can do that using Hugging Face as well, but I recommend you doing it using build.nvidia.com, because from here you can just like create your API key, and after that then you can just like build your enterprise level RAG agent. By the way, NVIDIA Nemo Retriever is ranked as a #1 model on this visual document retrieval benchmark. Again, you can just check it out from the link in description. I will leave a link for this leaderboard as well. So once you have got your API key, just go back to Visual Studio, and from here just look for this .env file. In this .env file, just provide this API key. So you'll find this .env file, and in this .env file, you can just like paste that API key that you just copied from NVIDIA dashboard. Once you have done that, now you can just go back to this GitHub repository page, and from here you can just like start running these commands. First of all, just run this Python and this particular like Python command, and after that you can just run this second command. If you have not used Python before, don't worry, I have mentioned every single thing in this documentation in here, so you don't have to like worry about anything. Just follow this guideline and then you'll be able to run this project. I have even shared this project structure as well, and then explained that where each and every single file is and what is the role of each and every single of these files. So once everything is ready, you can just open your project on this localhost URL. So just open this localhost URL on your computer, and then you can access your RAG directly inside your browser. This is the front-end interface. You can just like customize it the way you want. You can change anything in here and then just use it for your own project. So let's just test our RAG agent one more time. So I'll just refresh this page. After that, I'll just enter my question. What are the employment contract requirements? I'll just press enter. And now it is going to search these legal documents, and now you can see it has provided this answer based on the provided context. The employment contracts are listed in section E of Employment Law 5, which states the employee's hours and days of work. So you can see it has provided very accurate and very precise information, and the referencing is like really amazing. You can see in here in this document sources section, it has provided all of these sources for each of these answers in here, which is like super helpful. And you can see that this data that it has provided is absolutely correct and really accurate. So this is really amazing. And in fact, in this kind of applications, the reason why I actually chose this particular DIFC kind of data, because this is like very serious application based on like thousands of PDF files. So the accuracy and precision is like really a key here. So that's why I chose this example, that using NVIDIA Nemo Retriever, you can build like really high quality RAG systems, enterprise level like RAG systems using this amazing AI model. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section. I see you next video. Bye bye.